your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Greetings, folks. Larry here. Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Review time. I'm Larry Baronis, your host in Fort Worth, Texas. And today I'm going to test some paper from Walgreens to see how it's going to hold up with fountain pen ink. So here it is. And Mr. Announcer, the name of the book is?
Wexford.
And it's 80 sheets, wide rule composition book. And distributed by Walgreens Company, made in Vietnam. Okay, so let's see how this works. All right. All right, then we'll do another one. All right, so let's see how the paper held up to the ink. Is it or is it not fountain pen friendly paper? Well, here we go. I hope it is. And it is, my friends. So if you go to Walgreens, you might want to look up the brand. One of my subscribers mentioned to me about the paper at Walgreens, and I wasn't sure if it was this one or not, but that's the only one we could find. So we gambled and picked it up. So this is pretty cool. And then I have another one that one of my viewers also mentioned to me. It was found that at CVS pharmacy. It's Caliber
paper, yes.
Caliber paper. Also some excellent paper, both affordable. Now I'm going to show you. This is made in the USA notebook paper right here. Okay. Let's see how this notebook paper holds up. I believe I got this, I'm not sure where, if it would have been, probably Walmart, I'm thinking. You can already see the ink spreading. Oh yeah, I can see it just like when it splatters. But it still may work. All right. And it soaks up the ink pretty quick. All right, it's that one. Okay. All right. I'm using the Mont Blanc Permanent Black here, and I'm using the Mont Blanc Irish Green up here. So let's turn this paper over, and it should, let's see. And like I suspected, show through and bleed through right there. Bam! Oh well. So looks like they are improving their paper, and this is not one of them. So at least I know, because I've been curious. I've had this notebook, I don't know, a few years now. It's all good, but folks, that's going to do it today. So this is a notebook that's a go. So now there's two of them that are fountain pen friendly and affordable. It's not going to break the bank. So if you're a pen person, you might want to check these out. If you're on a strict budget, you might want to check these out. There's always ways to help yourself to finding that special paper you're looking for. Either some of it may cost more than you want to spend, but then if you look around, you can find some worthy paper that would fit your budget. So, thank you, my friends. Take care. I hope you found this paper interesting, my friend. So, a lot of peace, a lot of love, a lot of hugs, and wash the hands, wear a mask, do the distance, all that jazz, and please don't text and drive. See ya! Bye!